Indian machine tools, Taiwan is a very big partner. You can find a lot of Taiwanese machines in India, and today we are having all these CNC solutions from Delta Electronics. And I am having with me today Briven Chen, who will be talking about the CNC solutions, what Delta is going to offer for the Indian market.
Okay.
So welcome to India, Briven.
Thank you.
Taiwan is a very big partner for Indian machine tools.
Okay.
You go to 10 Indian manufacturers, who is making precision machining. I will assure there will be 1 or 2 Taiwanese machines. So that kind of quality, that kind of affordability Taiwan have offered. Now I am seeing a lot of new controllers for machine tool industry from Delta. So if you can tell about these innovations and how it can help Indian manufacturers.
Okay. So everyone can have here is our new generation, which is NC5 Series, and we will very soon to announce for this for India market. So you can see here we have 10-inch solutions, which is vertical type, and also 10-inch for horizontal type. And also here is NC5 for open CNC solutions. So in this new generation of the solution, we have a new CPU for the controller, which is much more powerful and also have many capability for system integrator to have their machines. So the precision will be much more better than our before controllers. So you can here to see we have provided this model for EtherCAD solutions, which is much more compatible for the other drive or system to integrate. And also we have very smart system inside, so which we can have because we have a powerful controller here, and so we can have much more intelligent design inside the controller system itself. And in the future, we will also have a dedicated KCAM solution, which you can dedicate for any kind of solution like grinding machine, laser machine, and also like a lathe. We can have a dedicated scenario for customer to manufacture their products. Very easy user, very easy to operate the system.
The dynamics of machining is changing. So now I have seen a lot of controllers from Delta on milling, lathe, which is your regular, for the traditional machining. But now we are going towards digital manufacturing.
Yes.
We are going towards Industry 4.0 and 5.0. So I think these new innovations definitely is going to help these manufacturers to increase their productivity, right?
Yes. We will also have some capability to communicate with like MES or something like a higher like SCADA system. So user very easily to have some information integrated to their manufacturing system.
It is a great news for Indian machine tool builders or Indian machine users to see how you can upgrade your machines by having a controller from Delta.
Yes.
Thank you, Briven, for your time, and I wish you have some wonderful time here having some good food from India.
Sure. I love it.
All the best.
Thank you.